This 2016 Leisure Travel Unity 24 MB is a Class C RV. It is located in Albuquerque, New Mexico, 87123 and is offered for sale by Good Sense RV and Motors. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used leisure travel is 25 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleeps 2, Slideout. The floor plan layout of this Class C features Murphy bed, rear bath. This 2016 Leisure Travel Unity 24 MB is built on a Mercedes Sprinter diesel chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.